Everyone, my name is Hema and welcome to my YouTube channel. The festive spirit is creeping up on me and it feels extra festive this time because this god-forsaken year is finally coming to an end. I love this time of the year because it fills me with hope and excitement for new beginnings, and I always celebrate this with a little stationery haul of all the essentials that I need to prep for the new year to make it better. A little disclaimer before we start: nothing in this video is sponsored by any brand. Everything I say is honestly and genuinely my personal opinion. The very first thing I want to show you guys are these gold binder clips that I got from Odd Giraffe. Odd Giraffe is a brand that sells all kinds of cute stationery, jewelry and accessories. This is the first time I purchased something from this brand and I absolutely loved everything that I purchased from them. I have to specifically mention their packaging. All the products came very securely without any damage. Talking about these binder clips, I had been searching for gold binder clips for a very long time. I did find some on Amazon, but they were really tiny in terms of the size that I needed. These are the perfect size that I wanted. They're matte gold, not too shiny. They're pretty sturdy as well. I got a set of 5 for 149 rupees, so that's like 30 bucks for one, which is kinda expensive, but then again they're gold binders, so of course they will come at a premium. Next are these stickers, also from Odd Giraffe. You know I'm a sucker for stickers. They came in a sturdy bubble wrap envelope inside which there was another envelope. This is such a pretty envelope that I think I'm gonna hold on to this. I'm gonna store the stickers in this envelope itself. So this sticker set is called their wellness pack. I will post a link in the description box below. There are 2 sticker sheets in one set and I got 2 sets of these because of course I had to buy 2 of everything, otherwise I will end up not using it because it is too pretty. There's also a lot of encouraging slogans like "you look good," "you can do it," "take a break," "just breathe," etc. I would love looking at these inside my planner. They're so relaxing and motivational at the same time. The next 2 items in the stationery haul are from one of my favorite brands ever, which is Monkey Business by Maitri Bhatia. The first one is these period stickers, which are my absolute favorite stickers ever. I've been using these since the last 2 years. They're my absolute staple essential. Even though the planners that I use have period trackers, I also like marking my flow days in the monthly grid of my planner, and these stickers are so cute. So I hate having my period days, but I love marking them in my planner with these stickers. Next is this cute sketchbook journal. It has a dog illustration on the cover, so of course I had to buy it. Plus I loved the monochrome vibe of it. It is such a mood, and the cover is very matte, quite thick as well. It's a staple bound book, A5 size with 100 pages. The paper quality is 100 GSM and is very good. It's a very thick paper, so I think you could paint on this and use this as an art journal if you want to. The next thing I got is this little pack of cute coffee shaped sticky notes from Archetype Studio. As if I don't already have enough sticky notes, but these were so irresistible. I had to buy them as soon as I saw them. I love big sticky notes a lot, and it's a takeout coffee cup, which is my kryptonite. I see anything to do with coffee, I have to have it. That is one of my biggest weaknesses as a consumer. This has 100 sheets, and even though the MRP says 500, it is currently available for 350 rupees on their website, which is the price that I got it for. Although that's also kinda expensive. Like I said, I cannot resist buying anything that has a coffee cup on it. I will post a link to this product in the description box. Next thing I got is this sticker book from Ink Bucket. I had been waiting to purchase this forever. I bought it at midnight, 12 AM sharp, the minute it became available on their website. This comes with a sweet little note from the creator Vidhi, and all the illustrations in the sticker book are hand painted by her. The sticker book retails for 499 rupees. I will be posting a separate video with a detailed flip through of the sticker book for you guys very soon. So if you're thinking of purchasing this, you can check out that video. Next, I got 3 different types of bullet journals from Amazon. These are from the brand Factor Notes. The first one is a B6 size dotted grid journal. It's a very compact size, so it's very travel friendly. I absolutely love the cover. It says sunshine mixed with a little hurricane and it has sunflowers on it. I like using bullet journals a lot, not just for bullet journaling but also in general like a normal diary, and I like this compact size. The paper is 90 GSM and this one has 112 pages in it. I got this for just 112 bucks on Amazon. I will post a link to this in the description box. The next one is this A5 sized dotted grid journal. The cover design on this is absolutely to die for. It is so pretty. This one has 160 pages and 100 GSM paper. I bought this at a very discounted price on Amazon. It was just for 132 bucks when I purchased it. I had actually added this to my cart and I was just waiting for a discount on it. The last one is a spiral bound one. It has a very cute minimalist teacup design on it, which is so soothing. The spiral binding makes this very ergonomic, especially if you want to use this for bullet journaling because it can lie flat while you write in it. Again, this has a dotted grid. The size is A5, same as the pastel mint one, and this also has 160 pages of 100 GSM paper. I got this from Amazon for 199 bucks, which is very cheap for a good quality bullet journal. Next, I got this A5 sized writing pad from a crossword store near me. The size is really handy and of course it's very pretty. It has these sunflowers on it and it says sunshine. It is quite compact and travel friendly and quite useful if you want to write on like a soft bound notebook but don't really have a hard surface to write on. This one is from the brand ThinkPot and I got this for 119 bucks. The next thing I got are these clear stamps. Now I've been seeing so many YouTubers in the planning community use these in their planners and journals and I always wanted to buy some for myself. I also got ink pads for using these, just your usual Faber-Castell ones. One is black and one is purple. I saw these in my local stationery shop and I absolutely fell in love with all the designs that they had. These were for 220 bucks each and you get a lot of designs in one pack. Unfortunately, the shop that I got these from did not have the acrylic block that I will need to use these, so I won't be able to show you guys how these look on paper. But as soon as I get my hands on some acrylic blocks, I will make a separate video for you guys on how I use these. If you don't want to spend money on buying stickers for your planners, you can buy a couple of clear stamps like these ones and they're reusable, so it's a one-time investment and after that you only have to spend on the ink, which is very cheap, and you can also color inside these with color pencils. It's really handy for people like me who can't really draw that well but still like having cute illustrations inside your planners and journals. And that was all the stationery stuff that I purchased to prep for my new year. I feel like 2021 is gonna be amazing with all this new stationery, especially because I've decided to make 2021 a no-buy year and put a hard stop on spending money next year except on essential items. We'll see how that goes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!